You are watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery channel. This is a test feature for my new channel. This is my food shopping, my recent food shopping. So I'll be featuring this video. These are some of the things, some of the items that I bought for now until December. I have bacon, I have pizza, I have pink salmon, I have chicken, I have vegetables such as cauliflower and broccoli. Yes, I have chicken feet. I have ground meat, and I have chicken, and I have here some sausage to make breakfast in the morning, and I have here some lasagna I'm using to make lasagna. That's not actually lasagna. And also I have Eggos. That's also will be for my breakfast. Brown sugar. I have almond milk. Some beans, various types of beans, corned beef, bacon bits, which I'll be using to make the lasagna, be part of the recipe for the lasagna. I have some sausage, and I have olive oil. I have some biscuit, baked biscuit, that you throw into the oven, and you can use those for breakfast or part of your dinner sequence. I have different types of flavored tea, green and mint tea, and special Grace Selective Caribbean blend. I have Grand Apple juice, and I have ketchup. I have mayonnaise. I have some sausages, and as well I have sea salt, and I have the cheese, one of the cheese that I'll be using in the lasagna, and a package of hot dog, and of course the ground meat. That will be one of the key ingredients inside of the lasagna. And I have some packed noodles, and I have snacks, a bag of snacks, assorted snack. In addition, I have some tin mackerel, Jamaican brand, Grace brand tin mackerel, and also have Jamaican brand coconut milk, Grace coconut milk cream. That will also be part of my recipe for my lasagna. Tin corn, baked bean, green peas, beets, honey, and Crisco coconut oil. That is the preferred choice of cooking oil. To protect my health. It's very healthy. It's natural. So this is part of my grocery for the remainder of November into December. So you're watching the new Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel. The new Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So this will be the first video that will be featuring on my new YouTube channel. So please support my channel. Please do subscribe to my new channel in support of my channel. Please like and share. And you can pick out a couple of items that you see here that you might like from this an abundance of grocery items here, these food items here for my food supply. So thank you very much for viewing, and I will see you on my next posting, which will be a Caribbean style choice lasagna created by none other than the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery Channel TV chef. Thank you. See you on the next vlog. Have a great evening. Talk to you soon.